The time has come. The winter season is quickly approaching, and the city of Markham is prepared to embrace it. As the cold and snowy weather rolls in, our crews are ready to roll out, working hard to maintain and clear a network that adds up to more than 2,200 kilometers of roads and more than 1,175 kilometers of sidewalks. In a full plow, the city deploys over 200 pieces of equipment to ensure that our roads and sidewalks are maintained to the highest standards. Maintaining our city throughout the winter is a big job. Our crews work around the clock to keep our streets safe and moving. The winter season is a beautiful one. We encourage you to enjoy the outdoors through our Winter Parks and Pathways program, or go for a skate at one of our outdoor ice rinks. Please visit markham.ca/winter to learn more about our winter maintenance programs and learn about the ways that you can have fun, stay active, and enjoy the great outdoors. Again, that's markham.ca/winter. We wish you a safe and enjoyable winter season, and I hope to see you around the city.